This is Abu. He knows about resilience. This is a tree. It knows about resilience too. The tree bends when the wind blows. Abu bends when life gets hard. Neither of them breaks. That's resilience. The tree has roots. Abu has roots too. Family, community, stories. Roots are what keep them standing.
Oh. As my grandmother used to say, mchumi ya juani, hulia kivulini. One who toils under the sun enjoys the shade.
Above ground, branches reach out. Abu reaches out too. Together they connect, like threads in a tapestry. One tree, one person. Many connections. This is Abu. This is a tree. This is our resilient planet.
And now it's over to you. Hug someone, plant a seed, share your story, because every act of care today becomes resilience for tomorrow.